Hi guys, I'm Ted, and today I will be showing you how to use the clipping mask tool on Adobe Illustrator. First, we're going to start off with some simple shapes, a rectangle and a circle. First, you're going to want to go to the shape tool and create your rectangle. Then, you're going to want to select it and go to Object, scroll all the way down until you see Compound Path, and click Make. This is going to prepare it for the clipping mask layer. Next, you're going to take the photo that you're going to have on standby and size it to match the size around your shape. Then you're going to right-click, go to where it says Arrange, and send it backwards. If it's not behind the shape, it will not work. Finally, you're going to fully select both items, go back to Object, scroll back down to where it says Clipping Mask, and Make. And just like that, you have a clipping mask layer. You could even go to Direct Selection and move around the photo that's inside of your shape. Now we're going to try this one more time together with a circle. So you're going to want to go to the Ellipse tool, create your circle, then you're going to want to select it and go back to Object. Then from here, you're going to click Compound Path and Make. Then, after that, get the photo that you want to use for the clipping mask and size it to shape. Then after that, right-click, Arrange, and send backward. Then finally, select both of the items, go back to Object, scroll all the way down to Clipping Mask, and Make. And ta-da! Just like that, you have a beautiful clipping mask on both rectangles and a circle. Now I'm going to show you how to make a clipping mask on a piece of text. First, you're going to go to Text and type out whatever you want. I will be typing out mask for this example. You're going to want to use more bold-like fonts. In this case, I'm using Mighty Slab 1. Size it however you want. I'm trying to elongate and stretch it as much as I can so the photo is more visible. Then, you're going to go to Type and create outlines. This will make it into a shape so we can actually put the clipping mask layer onto it. But in order to unite the shape, we're going to go to Pathfinder and press Unite. This will bring it all together. Then you're going to go to Object, scroll down back to Compound Path. Then after that, you're going to want to get your photo of choice. Once again, I'm using SpongeBob. Then you're going to right-click, go to Arrange, and send it backward. Position it how you want, then select it. And like always, go to Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. And just like that, you have a clipping mask on a piece of text. And yay! Now you know how to use the clipping mask tool on Adobe Illustrator, thanks to my genius SpongeBob skills.